Ride around in my coupe, I ain't even got no roof. 4:30, I'll get proof. Any day I'ma have juice. Break down, pay me back from the bullshit. I need a paddock on the wrist like I'm Uzi. I ain't never really blended with the cool kids. One day they gon' love me, that's true shit. I ain't need all them things. I ain't never got no praise. All them gaudy chains, Drake my body, that's just my taste. Never gon' walk away. I can't even talk that way. To be honest, I was young and afraid that one day everything changes. I'm like, oh yeah, get it all back. Falling by the side, I was sick of all that. Old friends told me I was never gonna last, so that's why I just kept them in the past. Falling for it, fuck it, so I came way too far. Falling on them buckets, running, treat me like a star.
Almost there.
Almost there.
Ooh, everything feeling new now. Way up out the blue now. See the picture that I drew now, and I really can't lose now. In control like cruise now. Yeah, they know how I do it now. Yeah, they know. Yeah, they know. Yeah, they know. Yeah, they know. I'm doing me, hey, that's how I like it. That's how I like it. Making a beat, shit. Got on my wallet. Got on my wallet. I had a breakout. Out of the silence. Out of the silence. 1:30, I'm bouncing. Can't throw it all cause I'm out it. Yeah. And now I'm
falling for it. Fuck it, so I came way too far.
Can't wait too far.
Falling on them buckets, running. Treat me like a star.
Treat me like a star, yeah.
Almost there.
I'm almost there, yeah.
Almost there.
Yeah.
You wanted smoke, it nearly filled up my lungs. Lost my breath and myself all at once. The more you talk, the more I speak to myself. They say it's bad for my health, you can tell, but I'm almost there. Almost there.
I'm almost there, yeah.
Yeah.